Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. As you can see, I'm trying to zoom you out a bit more. Go over this frame. I was working on this frame. I tried to swipe on it. It didn't seem to want to cooperate with me. So I scraped it all off. Well, actually, I spread it all out. So now I'm just adding some more of the Glidden mixture over top. And I think I'm going to try doing a couple of little blooms on top. Maybe one in each corner. And maybe one on the side. I don't know, I'm just trying something. I don't know what happened to the swipe. It just, maybe it was too much black. I'm not sure. I just didn't care for it. So let's just try and fix something here. Try and make something out of this frame. I can't just leave it. I have to finish it. I'm gonna put some down on here just because the center didn't seem to want to fill up with paint. I guess it's hard to spin when you have something this shaped. It comes off the sides but not in the middle so much, so. All right. Make sure each one has a nice amount of paint here. All right. I'm gonna do some blue. This is gonna be a small bloom. I don't even know if this will work, but blue. This is like Aquamarine by Sheleeart. A little bit of copper. I think I'll use some of the golden teal on top. I'll use a bit of black cell activator. Oh, I hope this works. I'm gonna blow it with my breath. Oh. I got a real mess going here. Holy moly. Well, those are pretty cells, but a lot of bubbles. Okay. All right. Let's remember what I did before. Oh, geez. Oh, I think I did cerulean blue on the bottom. Turquoise. Cerulean blue, turquoise. This one didn't really show up. And this on top. Okay, that's all I'm going to do there. Cerulean blue. Geez, I didn't get any of that copper coming through. Shoot. A lot of white there. Oh. Okay. Wow, the copper doesn't even show. If I try the copper now, then I won't have it. Maybe I'll just Maybe I'll just put copper more near the top. That's because this is opaque. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, this is funny. No copper yet. I'm going to switch these two. Maybe I'll put this one on the bottom. And this one. Then this one. And then the cerulean blue. I know I'm off camera here, but it's hard to do it all. Sometimes you just, the spur of the moment just gives a spur of the moment thought. You never know. Okay, I think it's looking better. I think this is good. Oh, I'm getting tired. I need to go eat something. I haven't painted in a couple of weeks because I've had a sore back. And it's a good day to paint. Stay inside. It's a snowstorm outside today. I don't think it's ever going to end. It's been snowing every day for the past 2 weeks, I'm sure of it. All right, let's spin this. Let's move this out of the way. Oh, this is looking better. Okay, I'll let this dry and I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. But I like how this one turned out. Have a great day, everybody. And come back to Carole's Art Room and give me a thumbs up and hit that bell and you'll get notified when I do a new video after you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That would be awesome. Helps my channel grow. Have a good day. Bye, everybody. Wow, this is pretty. I like it. Put it in the camera this way. Cute. I think it'll look good with some my favorite picture in there. Or maybe I'll give it away. We will see. Have a good day. Bye-bye.